orange belt Taekwondo form. Are you ready to learn your orange belt Taekwondo form? It's called Taegeuk Sahm Jang. Here we go. We're gonna face this way so you can follow right along. First I'll explain it, then we'll go all the way through, then we'll learn our one steps and our terminology and your break. It'll be a lot of fun. Here we go, learn it with us. This is Kaden, and this is Kenzie. Ready, Taegeuk, TaeKwonDo, 준비. Turn to the left, high stance, low block. Front kick, low front stance, double punch, and with the reverse punch. Turn high stance, low block, front kick, punch, punch. Now, reverse knife hand, reverse knife hand, single knife hand, and reverse punch. Turn single knife hand, and reverse punch. Now, reverse middle, reverse middle, reverse middle. Turning like in basic form 1, low block. Front kick, 1, 2. I love that part. This form means fire, so it's very explosive. Front kick, 1, 2. Now we go low block, reverse punch. We do that again. Low block, reverse punch. Now, front kick, low block, reverse punch. And then front kick, low block, reverse punch. And now your back foot turns, Baro, Chimbi. Very good, very good. Kenzie and Kaden, 2 of my top students. Now, follow along with us. Let's do it all the way through. Ready? Chimbi, you guys are doing great. Taegeuk Sahm Jang, 시작. Knife hand. Transitional step. Back stance. Transitional step. Reverse middle. Low block, reverse punch. Low block, reverse punch. Front kick, low block, reverse punch. Front kick, low block. Hiya! Baro. Shio. Thanks, guys. Now let's learn your one steps.